Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this holy guacamole. This was on sale. It is medium spiciness, I guess. And here is the nutrient profile. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the ingredients. And let's do a quick taste test. This was on sale. So it smells really good. You can smell the spices and you can smell like the onion and everything. So let's do a quick taste test. Got a little tortilla here. Okay, it has a lot of onion flavor. It's pretty good. Alright guys, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, subscribe to the channel. Only thing I would say is this is pretty small though.